Life is always about changing for good and better version of your own self. Nandito tayo sa mundo, hindi lang yung sapat na kumakain, naghuhugas, naglilinis. Of course, we have to improve ourselves. We have to improve our own choices in our life. Ito ba ay nakakatulong sa'yo? Mayroon ka bang makukuha dito at the end of the day? Always mind your own habit. Mind your own action. We should have self-awareness para lagi natin makikita kung tama pa ba yung ginagawa natin. You don't have choice. Your choice is to change yourself and help yourself to be productive, to be progressive.